Chinese mitten crabs are medium-sized crabs named for their furry, mitten-like claws. They are native to China's and South Korea's coastal rivers and estuaries that drain to the Yellow Sea. They have a smooth, round top shell, called a carapace, that can be up to 4 inches wide. Their legs are generally twice as long as the carapace is wide. The crabs have a notch between their eyes and 4 lateral spines found on each side of the carapace. They vary in color from brownish-orange to greenish-brown. The claws have white tips. Males and females both have furry claws, but the patches cover more of the claws in males. Chinese mitten crabs are catadromous, meaning they live in fresh water, but must migrate to salt water to successfully reproduce. They are common in estuaries, intertidal areas, marshes, rice fields, lakes, rivers, and creeks. Adult Chinese mitten crabs construct burrows in their habitat. Adults migrate downstream into saltwater to spawn. Females lay eggs. A female can carry 250,000 to 1 million eggs under her abdomen until the eggs hatch into larvae. Both male and female crabs die shortly after the reproduction process. Newly hatched Chinese mitten crab larvae can be found swimming in the open saltwater of bays and estuaries. The larvae develop into juvenile crabs. Juveniles can skillfully walk on land and migrate upstream 100 miles or more, climbing over obstacles. In Europe and California, Chinese mitten crabs are believed to have been introduced by ship ballast water and possibly intentionally released to establish populations to harvest. Once introduced, Chinese mitten crabs are able to spread through a watershed by larval dispersal in the water column. They can survive in a wide range of salinities. They eat vegetation, detritus, fish, insects, mollusks, and crustaceans. The burrowing activities of Chinese mitten crabs cause damage and increase erosion, which can cause weakening or collapse of flood control and water supply systems. Their massive migrations have clogged fish hatchery equipment and hindered water delivery in Northern California. The crabs disturb commercial and recreational fishermen by stealing bait, feeding on catch, and getting caught in nets. There are also concerns that they could eat fish eggs and outcompete native species for resources. In Asia, Chinese mitten crab is considered a delicacy. For more marine facts, click the subscribe button.